Hey there, it's Jer, and I am so excited to share with you what I got in this month's Glam Bag and Boxycharm. This is the January Glam Bag with IPSY. Let's get into the products. So the first thing I'm seeing here are these brushes from Chimera A Unique Beauty. I am a brush connoisseur, so I'm very excited to put these to use. Thank you, IPSY. This is from Goldilocks. This is their ultra hydrating signature hair mask. It says the ultimate indulgence for your hair, instantly restores hydration, reverses damage, and adds intense shine without weighing your hair down. Okay. All right, the next product is, oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. This is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette from YC Collection. This is a really versatile palette. You can definitely do a more natural, neutral look with this, or you can add a pop of color. You can dig into like the teal or even that mauve shade too. It's so cute, it literally gives the same vibes as the Glam Bag. Alrighty, you guys, the next item is, no way. I've never tried this. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Spray. Let's give it a try. Okay, it is not scented. For my sensitive skin people, you're gonna really enjoy this because there is no scent and it's alcohol free. All right, last but definitely not least, we have Koa Life. Oh my gosh, I love this brand so much, and this is their Light Me Up eye cream in a little sample. These are always so good to have like to travel with. So a fun fact about this eye cream is that it's made with cacao, which is gonna help with brightening the skin, and it has caffeine to help to depuff under the eyes. Alrighty, you guys, the next thing we're gonna get into is our Boxycharm for January. Are you excited as I am? Because I'm very excited. Already starting with the best of the best. The first item is from Koa Life. This is their Vitamin C Foaming Cleanser. It smells so good, but it really works. It helps to brighten out the complexion, and it also helps with oily skin too. This is gonna help cleanse, hydrate, and leave an even skin tone. Alrighty guys, the next product is from MZ Skin. This is their hyaluronic acid serum. I love a good old hyaluronic acid serum because it plumps the skin and it really helps to maintain that moisture in the skin. This is perfect for all skin types, so anyone can use this at any time of the year. All right, you guys, the next product we're gonna get into is color. So this is gonna be the Para Nova Contour and Bronzer Stick. So on one side, you have a cream contour, and on the other side, you have a cream bronzer. Ooh, the feeling of the cream is so blendable. It's not super patchy and it's not super glowy. When I look for a cream contour, a cream bronzer, I look for something that has like kind of like a satin matte finish to it. It's not fully dried down, but it's also not glossy, which I love. This next item, I know you know about it and I know about it. This is the Benefit Roller Lash. This mascara actually started the curling category in the industry. It is the first of its kind because of its nice curve to help support your lashes and curl them up. I actually really do enjoy this, and as a freelancing makeup artist, this is something that I use on my clients all the time. What? Hold that. You guys, the next product is from Ofra. I'm not even ready to show you guys this. This is their Blush Blossom palette. We have Pink Satin, Pillow Talk, and Paradise Pink. I need to contain my excitement just for a little bit because I need to explain to you guys what is going on in here. You have a matte blush on this side. The center color is a strobe highlighter with a pink reflect, and that last color, it's a satin blush. So if you don't want to look too glowy, but you also don't want to look matte, this is the color that you're gonna go into. But me being a blush connoisseur, I'm gonna dig into all of these. I've been seeing people try out the gradient blush. This would be ideal for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below which product you hope that you receive. Don't forget to subscribe to IPSY's Glam Bag and Boxycharm. The link is in the description box below.